Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie. This video is for a viewer who was asking me how I use my easel in conjunction with large canvases, and I had seen someone else do this in another video. Okay, this is the canvas that I'm currently working on. This is the easel. What I do is I wrap the bottom because it's a large canvas. I have been rolling them, but you can use painter's tape here and let this hang. But I usually just do this. I normally just put it underneath this part of the canvas. I saw someone else do it and it doesn't hurt it, and so I'll just slide it up under there. You could let it hang or roll it, but and which is what I have done in the past, is rolled it. But when I saw and I told her about the painter's tape, I'll just put this under here. There's a drill. It's kind of hard for me to hold it up, but slide it underneath this easel, and I flatten the bottom, of course, so that it's flat underneath like this. And then I just pull, or I would have taped initially just regular painter's tape. I have my light pad here, so I just tape the top of it directly on the canvas at the top here, and then I can easily work with and not do so much damage to my neck. I can even, with the painter's tape, I can even do it, I can, as I'm working, then what I'll do is I'll pull it off, I'll pull more out, and then I'll tape it up here as I'm working on it. And then the heavier part will hang over the other side as I'm doing it. But I hope that that helps you better understand how you can prevent larger canvases from sliding off of the easel. This canvas is, let me see what the size is. So this canvas is actually 24 by 28 inches or 61 by 71 centimeters. But you can do this with other canvases as well. Just tape the top at the bottom of your easel, like I've shown, and then just as you work on it, you move it up, and then you can roll it outward if you want, or let it hang off the other end. But painter's tape, or you can get clips, but this board is pretty thick and the canvas will slide if you don't tape it. So anyway, I hope that helps if you're curious how you keep your canvas on the easel. Y'all take care. Bye.